Om Swastiastu. My name is Bagus Kusuma. I am number 18 and I'm from class 12 science 1. Now I would like to tell you about flood. Flood is a natural phenomenon which is the water from all the water sources on the earth overflow on resident living place. Flood is a dangerous disaster for human living. Sometimes flood caused by the human activities. Flood happens in all parts of the world. How is the process of flood? Flooding may result from the volume of water within a body of water such as a river, lake or ocean. Raining in high intensity and continually a long day is the major case of flooding cause. Regions that have 2 seasons near the equator tend to have raining longer than regions which have 4 seasons about 6 months. Besides soil density also influence the incidence of flood. Water from the rain can be absorbed perfectly by the soil. While this happens, the depth of water above the surface will higher and higher. Then it drowns the surrounding area of his house, school, rice field, etc. Floods like this often occur in urban areas. Floods can be caused by 2 things: can result from the human activity, or natural phenomena result from the extreme form of prolonged rain. Most of the flooding is the excessive rainfall. The rain may occur seasonally region covering large areas, or from local storm producing rainfall of high intensity. Most floods are caused by the process of the atmosphere or the ocean and high speed air currents. Melting snow happens in 4 season states is another major cause of flooding. On the other hand, human activities can also be a potential disaster, such as a flood and forest lodging that is getting crowded. For the classically lodging, though not exactly true, the main suspects of flooding are farmers who cut down forests in upstream watershed. Settlement and compacting the soil does not give a chance of rainwater to seep into the ground. Most water then flow on the ground. Moreover, the river is supported by an intentionally shallow and narrow river crowded with inhabitants, and the blockage of water upstream area then came the flood. In fact, once the flood happens in an area, the next flood will be easier again, because the pore surface covered with mud so that the soil water is not able to penetrate. Floods can cause some losses, both moral and material, as a property in the form of electronic device cannot be used anymore because submerged and other household equipment that is damaged. Floods that are not too big do not give too bad impacts to human life, but if the flood disaster in large state, it can also impact on human life. So what we can do? We must cooperate with government in increasing the grid areas, make laws of illegal logging, and changing people's behavior to not make the river as a giant trust. Participation of all elements of society must be organized and coordinated in order to run effectively. A community organization should be formed to take early action and organize public participation in flood mitigation. Okay, that's all can I tell for you. Thanks for your attention, and I close with Om Santi 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 Om.